Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to get airdrops in Binance for free. Actually very simple, so let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, so we are in Binance in the airdrop section, and as you can see there are a lot. This is ongoing. Those that are completed will not give you anything, but for example, let me check this one, the Luna is ongoing. So the only thing you have to do is to trade with these cryptos that appear here. Go to trade, and you have to do trading by whatever with this coin, Luna Terra USDT, and you will be getting some random airdrops. So I wish you the best of the lucks, and if this video was helpful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and check our channel because we have a lot of content like this and we have another content. So goodbye and easy way.